What's going on YouTube? TDOT Globetrotter checking in here, and as you can see, I'm in the HQ. I'm in my home base right now, and today's video is going to be 3 things that I like to do for when I travel. So the first thing I like to do for when I travel is I like to go to a department store or beauty store and pick up one of these samples, because your limit to bring on board is 100 ml. And I personally like to travel light. Some may be different. But obviously, if you have a checked bag, you could bring one of these. If you don't, then won't be allowed. They'll confiscate it. So if you like to travel light, a little small tip for you there. As well as you can get one of these small bottles from your department store as well, or dollar store. And this will be too hectic to carry around. And also, like, if you travel light, it's just easier to carry around and it's less hassle for you. And then same thing for a deodorant as well. Yeah, so that is probably one of my favorite things out of the 3. So the second thing I like to do is I typically bring a side bag with me for when I travel. I also bring one of these backpacks too, but when you have your passport in this side bag, it's just easier to take out. You just have it on your shoulder like this. But when you have your backpack and like you have your passport in the backpack, you have to take it out about 3 times. Like when you check in, when you go through security, at the gate. So it's just easier and simple just to have this. Just put it in and out. And then once you're done with it, once you're on the plane, obviously you can put it away in the backpack if you like. But carry a side bag with you. It's really clutch and really handy, you'll find. The third thing, a lot of people don't realize that usually every airport has their own website. So there's a lot of questions that I get is, when do I got to be at the airport? How much time do I need to give myself? So on the airport website, so I'm from Toronto, you go torontopearson.com. It will show you how much time you need, how long it's going to take at the security lines for international, US, domestic. So it'll tell you sometimes it's 0 to 5 minutes. So if it's only 0 to 5 minutes, you don't really need as much time, right? Because typically you'll be waiting at the airport for your flight, and then you're just doing other things. And, maybe you might get hungry, and food is expensive in the airport. So it's definitely handy to go to the airport website, check that out, and that will save you a lot of time. Maybe you don't have to wake up as early, you never know. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, I will be doing this more often. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and make sure you guys hit that bell for post notifications to stay up to date and to see what I get up to. So I'll be doing hacks, tips, tricks, the ins and outs if you need to travel somewhere. And also comment down below. Let me know what you want to know about traveling. If you have any specific questions, feel free to just reach out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. TDOT Globetrotter out. Peace.